So in this question, we're told a deck of cards contains 5 yellow cards, 4 red cards, and 3 green cards. Daffy chooses 3 of these cards without replacement, and we want to find the following probabilities. So first thing to note here is that if we add up the number of cards, so 5 yellow, 4 red, and 3 green cards, we get 12 cards. So part A, we want to find the probability that we have 3 yellow cards. Well, to calculate the number of ways we can pick 3 yellow cards, we have 5 cards, 5 yellow cards, and we are going to choose 3 of them. This is going to be able to total number of outcomes, which is 12 cards, choose 3. So, when I work this through in my calculator, typing it in carefully, what we get is a probability of 1 over 22. Okay, so let's have a look at part B. Part B says, let's find the probability of having no yellow cards. So this is the probability, 0 yellow. Okay, so the way to think about this, don't worry about the combinations of red and green cards, it doesn't matter. What we think of here is actually there are 7 non-yellow cards. So what I'm thinking of doing here is I want to see how many ways I can pick 3 cards from the 7 non-yellows. So I do 7, choose 3. This is then again, of course, over 12 cards, choose 3, which when I work through on my calculator comes out as an answer of 7 over 44. Again, notice that I'm leaving each of these as fractions. They're exact answers, there's no need to write them as decimals or round them, etc. So this is an exact answer, it's the preferable representation. Okay, so then part C. Part C asks us to calculate the probability that it chooses 1 of each colour. So we're going to ask to do the probability of 1 yellow, 1 red, and 1 green. Now notice that I'm using the word and there, so it's 1 yellow and 1 red and 1 green. So the number of ways that we can do this is, number of ways to pick 1 yellow is 5, choose 1. Then because this event has to occur, so and, with the red, we're going to have number of ways to pick 1 red from 4, which is 4, choose 1, multiplied by the number of ways of picking 1 green from 3. So we get 5, choose 1, times 4, choose 1, times 3, choose 1, all over 12, choose 3. Okay, so when I work through this on my calculator carefully, what we get is a probability of 3 over 11. Okay, so how do we get our marks on this question? Well, here is our method mark for identifying the correct way to use the combinations, and here is our accuracy mark for a correct answer. Method mark for correct use of combinations, accuracy mark for our answer. Final line, this long statement here, we get a method mark and an accuracy mark, so that's for using the method for finding different things and actually remembering that you have to multiply things together, and we get our accuracy mark for getting 3 out of 11 at the end. Okay, so I hope this all makes sense and that you understood it.